Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to do a makeup look, but I don't know what the title yet, but I just wanted to play with a little bit of makeup in this makeup room, and let's find out what I'm going to end up the makeup look. So if you guys wanted to hang out with me while putting makeup on, then just keep on watching. Lately, I've been doing a lot of videos that I don't talk. I just do like fast forward with a little bit of music background, and I just like show you guys what I'm using. And aside from that, I already opened the door right here just in case April's gonna come in, so you guys know she loves to walk around next to me and something like that, but she's around the hallway right now. So let's move on. I'm going to prime my face first. Autumn is here and I need to hydrate my skin because it's dry season already. So I'm using this Mario Badisco in the aloe vera one, the purple one. So I'm just gonna go spray this one on my face first. Then I'm gonna use this fan. I have actually two of this. I have the panda one and I have this blue one. So I'm just gonna go let it dry to my face. Next, I'm going to use this e.l.f. This is the Prep and Hydrate Balm. This is a new one. I just got it at the DJ Maxx. I got it like $2.99. The regular price for this one is like $8. So this is how it looks like, guys. It's like a green cooling balm, and I'm gonna go just put it everywhere, I guess, especially around here, right here, and right there. I'm gonna go start prepping my eyes. I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Medium Concealer. So next, I'm going to use this Coty Airspun. I'm going to set my eye. So guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, so I'll be right back, guys. So I'm back with eyebrows. Hopefully they're good enough. I tried my best. So guys, I'm going to use this Athena palette first by Bad Habit. I am going to use this one, the Lure, right here, and as you guys can see, April's here. So let's go start with that. I'm going to use this fluffy brush. We're gonna look for a fluffy brush, and then we're just gonna go blend. We're gonna use this one here in the Makeup Revolution Iconic Neutrals 2. And then I'm just gonna go use my hand right there. Then blend. I'm gonna use this one right here. This is the Heroic. Just deepen, darken the right here. So now we're gonna go back to a concealer. We're gonna go put something in the middle. Right here. So now we're gonna go put some glitters. And I'm thinking about to put Daring. Maybe use Divine first. I'm going back to this palette, the Revolution one. Then I'm gonna go back to the Heroic. We're gonna go back to Lori, I guess, Lori, and then we're just gonna go I'm just gonna go clean it up. Then what we did on the eyelids, we're gonna do it on the lower lashes. Next, I'm going to use the Heroic. And curl our lashes. Too much glitter on my face right now. I'm gonna use these Lash Princess by Essence. So guys, I'm back with some lashes on and a little bit of eyeliner. And then today, where is that prep? I'm gonna go back to use this one because I accidentally wipe it off. Not accidentally, I wiped the excess or the fallout from the eyelashes from the eyeshadows. So I'm going to prep it right here again. Wow, this is so cooling. This is so nice. It's gonna go spread that a little bit here, right there. So guys, I'm going to use this matte pearls by Maybelline. I'm in the shade 230 natural buff. So I'm just gonna go shake it first. I'm going to use this sponge by Shop Miss A. I think this is the Pop Pod Teardrop. Then I'm going to start using it right here. So next we're going back to this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And then we're just gonna go make this area brighter. And then we're just gonna use this sponge. Now we're gonna go back to the powder. We're still gonna use the Coty Airspun powder, and then we're just gonna go right here. I'm going back to the Heroic just to define the one on the lower lashes because I put some concealer. I'm just gonna go contour our face. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. palette. I'm gonna use this brush. That's enough. Then I'm gonna just contour my forehead. We're gonna use this Lychee and Gold by Seraphine Botanicals. Just gonna put a dump on my cheeks. Right there. This so smells good. And then we're just gonna go spray the powder first. So I'm gonna use this Mario Badescu still. Just gonna go spray a little bit just to set the powder. And then now we're gonna use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow. This is in the shade of Botanic Dream. Then we're gonna go spray that again. And before we go to our lips, I'm going to put some fiber volumizer on my eyebrows. Combine these two lipsticks in the shade this is a lipstick by ColourPop, and in the shade of Who Run This. This is a matte X, and this is the Foolish. This is a, I think, a creme lipstick. This is their latest Luxe lipstick, and they launched this this year. I'm going to use the Foolish first. Then next, I'm going to use the Who Run This. So this is the final look, guys. I think I'm going to call this pumpkin spice or autumn makeup look. Maybe, I don't know. And before we go to our lips,